Hello students, I am Amanveer Kaur, will teach you SST of 3rd class, and today we will start over our chapter number 2, that is changes around us. So what is change? Change is a universal thing. We can see changes around us. There are many changes in everything, like you can see in our neighborhood, in our lifestyle, in our clothes, traditions, culture, in means of transport, education, and everything there is a change. So change is a good because it brings new things that make our life more easier. Like you can see, like first one is changes in lifestyle. In the previous days we used to live together, but nowadays people move from villages to cities and towns for their higher education and for getting better jobs, etc. In earlier they live in a joint family and in one house, but nowadays they live in apartments because the joint family is now turned into nuclear families. So earlier they live in villages and now they live in cities. In villages they live in mostly mud houses and in cities they live in apartments. So next one is changes in food. With span of time there is also some changes in food habits. Like in previous days people like to eat traditional food like chapati, simple food and traditional food, but nowadays that habits change into packaged food. That time they ate simple food, but nowadays they prefer packaged food because it reduces time and also easy to cook. Next one is changes in work. Earlier people mostly engaged in agriculture, but nowadays they engaged in private and government jobs and also some set up their own business. So in previous time they engaged in agriculture and now in private job, or you can say it also in government job and also set up their own business and trade also. Next one is changes in houses. In previous days the houses are big and spacious where the people lives together in a one house, but now it is changed and now they live in a apartments. That houses are big and spacious, and you can say it mud houses, and now in apartments. Next one is changes in clothes. Like you can see change in everything, and also their clothes habit are also changed. In earlier they like to wear traditional and simple clothes, like men wore dhoti and kurta and women wore lehenga choli, etc. But nowadays everything has changed, and there is a variety of clothes in terms of fabric, design, color, style, because there are more variety in clothes now, and they want to wear modern clothes. Traditional clothes in previous days and now modern clothes. Next one is changes in traditions. Earlier in India many traditions followed, but with the help of education and social awareness people are now adopting modern outlook towards his life. In previous days, there are strict traditions, and nowadays there are modern traditions. Next one is transport system. The early men used to travel on foot. With the discovery of wheel, bullock cart made and makes traveling easier, and we can easily go from one place to another place. But with the span of time, there are many means of transport developed, like cars, scooter, buses, trains, airplanes, and it makes our life more easier, and also we can go from one country to another country with the help of means of transport. And next one is society gender equality. So gender equality means treating both boys and girls as equal, and nowadays there is no any discrimination between boys and girls. In olden days, girls and women are not expected to go out of the homes, get education, and also they expected to stay at home and take care of their children. But now everything is changed. Girls also play as important role as boys, and they are also very successful in various ways, like in education, science, in extra fields. So in this chapter we discussed about different types of changes in our life. Thank you.